Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to install Anaconda Navigator. Anaconda Navigator is an IDE, that is Integrated Development Environment for Python and all its projects development. So let us search for Anaconda Navigator. Yes, that's it. So let us go to www.anaconda.com, click on the result there. So let us download the toolkit. If you click on it, it will scroll to the down. Since I am using Windows Python 3.7 64-bit version, so I am going ahead and downloading this link, 64-bit graphical installer. It's gonna take a while. It will be around 466. Maybe by the time you view this video, this version might change. So try to download and install the updated version. So alright, we are done with the download of Anaconda Navigator. Let's click on this. Let's minimize all this. Okay, now click on next. Go through the service license agreement and click on I agree. And if you wanted to install it for all other users in your system, you can go ahead and click all users, but in such case you will need admin privileges for your laptop or system. Now here in this case I wanted to install it just for my user, so I will go ahead and click on next, and this is the path where the Anaconda is going to get installed, and click on next. I wanted to add Anaconda to my path and environmental variables. So you can ignore this warning message. You can click on install. It's going to take very few minutes. Okay, Anaconda has done with its installation. While installing it, it not just installs system set of files, it also installs some libraries which we are going to use in a regular basis, like see this SQLite, Seaborn, NumPy, Pandas. So all these kind of things we are going to use it regularly, and those kind of libraries are also installed as a predefined version in Anaconda. So let's click on next, and it's gonna ask for some things, and click on next, and I'm going if you need a tutorial you can click on this, or else not required, and just click on finish. So Anaconda Navigator has been successfully installed. You can see the icon here. If you double click, the Anaconda Navigator will open. So this is the main window of Anaconda Navigator. Here you are going to view the environments which Anaconda has created for you. These are some environments which I have created and installed. By default for everyone, base root will be the only environment. So in the first screen you are going to see some IDEs here, which is command prompt, Jupyter Lab, Notebook, PowerShell, Console, Spyder, Bluewiz, Orange and RStudio. See, look at the RStudio. You don't even have to install RStudio. Once if you install Anaconda Navigator, even RStudio will be installed by default. So in most of my tutorials I am going to use either Jupyter Notebook or Spyder for all Python classes. So let me show you Spyder. If you click on launch, the Spyder IDE is going to get launched. It's gonna take a while if you are launching the Spyder for the first time. So this is an IDE for Spyder. Here you are going to see where you are an area where you can type your coding and program here. This is the kernel where the program's execution will give an output here, and you can see some tabs here, which is a variable explorer. All the variables which you have created during your coding will come here, and the help is to look up for the functions which you have any doubt or which you wanted to see. And the next one is the plots. In case of any plots which you wanted to create, the output of the plots will appear here. And the next one is the files, which is nothing but your explorer, file explorer. So that's it for today. We'll meet you in the next class.